Question number 25 is find the particular solution of the differential equation tan inverse y minus x dy equals to 1 plus y square into dx given that x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Now coming to the solution, we are given with this equation, so we will simplify it, and upon simplification we got dx over dy plus x upon 1 plus y square equals to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. So this equation is of the form dx over dy plus px equals to qy, and upon comparison you can see that the value of p is 1 upon 1 plus y square, and now in order to proceed we need to find out the integration factor, which is equals to e raised to power integrate p dy. Okay, so integration factor upon solving this thing is e equals to tan inverse y. Now we will solve this equation. So after solving it we got this. Now we will put tan inverse y equals to t, so we are getting this equation. This is the general equation, but we need to find out the particular equation. We have to find out the particular solution, particular equation at x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So we will place these values, and we are getting the constant c equals to 1. So we will replace the value of c in the general equation, and we are getting this particular equation.